Good morning, students. You know that from last two lectures we are going through tense. We have already covered the first form of present tense, that is simple present tense. Now we are going through the second form of present tense, present continuous tense. We have already discussed that present continuous tense is used to speak the action that is going on at the time of speaking. We have already discussed the structure of present continuous tense: subject plus am oblique is oblique are plus V4 means VING plus object. And we have already taken the examples like if there is I, after I we have to use am and V4, and if the subject is singular like a boy, a cat, a man, a tree, etc., after that singular subject we have to use is and V4. Now we are going to discuss the next. If the subject is plural, if there is plural subject, after the plural subject we have to use are and V4 and last full stop. What are the plural subjects? We have to find out the plural subjects. For example, boys is a plural subject. Next, girls is a plural subject. Then people, this is plural subject. Okay, animals, this is plural subject. Then birds is a plural subject. Then we is a plural pronoun. You, it is also considered as plural pronoun. Then they, okay, these are the plural subject. See, after these plural subject we have to use are to show the present time and V4 to show the continuous action. Okay, each and every plural subject we have to use are after it. See here, how can we make the examples? Examples, we have to show the examples that action are going on at the time of speaking. For example, boys, after this boys, we have to use auxiliary verb are. Boys are making toys. Are is auxiliary verb and making is V4. Are shows present time and making shows continuous action. This is present continuous tense. The action is going on at the time of speaking. We are speaking about boys and boys are making the action like are making toys. Next, girls. Girls is a plural subject. After this plural subject are plus drawing rangoli. This is present continuous tense. Next, people are watching an accident. People are watching an accident. This is present continuous tense. Animals are drinking water. This is present continuous tense. Birds are flying in the sky. Next, we are learning tense. Here are learning is a present continuous tense. Are flying is a present continuous tense. You are watching towards me. You are watching towards me. Here are watching is a present continuous tense. Next, they are making noise. Here they is a subject and are making, are is a auxiliary verb, making is the V4 and are making shows present continuous tense. These are the examples. In each and every example we have used plural subject, and after plural subject we have to use are plus V4 to show present continuous tense. Now some examples. Now we have to take some examples. We have to discuss about some examples. See here, if the subject is I. Examples of present continuous tense. If the subject is I, we have already discussed. After I, we have to use am. I am speaking you. Here, where is the verb? Am speaking is a verb, and this verb shows present continuous tense. Next, Ramesh. Okay, we are speaking about a boy, Ramesh. Ramesh is a singular subject. After this singular subject, we have to use is. Ramesh is writing a letter. Yes, here is writing shows present continuous tense. Next, birds are finding their way. Here are finding shows present continuous tense. The action is going on. Now you can make examples. The examples of the action that are going on in your house, in your school also. My teacher is teaching me, full stop, is teaching. The action is going on at this time. Next, students. Students is a plural subject. After this plural subject, we have to use are. Students are getting their notes. Here are getting shows present continuous tense. The action is going on. Next, my brother. My brother is a singular subject. After this, we have to use is. My brother is listening songs. Right, is listening shows present continuous tense. Next, we. After we have to use are. We are planning to visit Mahabaleshwar. Here are planning is a present continuous tense. The action is going on. Next, You, after you is considered plural. After you, we have to use are. You are learning English language. Here, are learning is a present continuous tense, shows continuous action at this time. Now, we have already taken some examples. In present continuous tense, we have to keep in mind that if the action is going on at the time of speaking, we have to use this tense, present continuous tense. In present continuous tense, after subject I, we have to use am and V4. If the subject is singular, we have to place is and V4. And if the subject is plural, when we are speaking about more than one person, one place or one thing, that time we have to use are plus V4. And when we want to write or speak about an action that is going on at the time of our speaking, that time we have to use this tense, right? Now we have to turn towards the next form of the present tense, that is present perfect tense. Yes, what is the number? Its number is 3. And what is the third form of the present tense? The third form of present tense is present perfect tense. Underline the title. Okay, and we have to discuss where do we use present perfect tense. We know that present continuous tense shows the action that is going on at the time of speaking. We know that simple present tense is used to speak the regular actions. Now, present perfect tense. This tense denotes the action. This tense denotes the action that is completed. That is completed at the time of speaking. At the time of speaking. What is the meaning? See, at the time of speaking, when the action is going on, it is present continuous tense. And at the time of speaking, when the action is completed, it is not going on, it is completed. If we want to speak about the action that is completed at this time, that time we have to use this tense, present perfect tense, right? Now we have to discuss the structure. Yes, what is the structure? Structure is subject plus have oblique, has plus verb third plus object, full stop. This is the structure of present perfect tense. And just we are taking the examples of assertive sentence. We are not going to discuss interrogative sentence, etc. This is the structure of assertive sentence, and tense is present perfect tense. Look here, after subject we have to use have oblique, has and verb third. Okay. In present continuous tense, you know, in present continuous tense we have used the auxiliary verbs am, oblique, is, oblique, are, but here as a auxiliary verbs we have to use have oblique, has, right? Here have oblique has shows present time. These are the present forms of to have. And verb third V3 means what? V3 means past perfect, V3 past participle. but this V3 means V1 plus ED, it is added. For example, work, for example, eaten, the third form of verb, for example, sung. Any example? Read, the same example. See here, after the subject we have to use have oblique has plus verb third. V3 shows perfect action. V3 shows perfect action. So for that reason this structure has given the name present perfect tense, because have has shows present time and V3 shows perfect action. Now we have to discuss, there are two auxiliary verbs to use. See here after I we have to use have, though I is singular, it is first person singular, and after this first person singular pronoun we have to use have. I have and then V3. After the singular subject we have to use has and V3. After the plural subject we have to use have and V3. See here, look here, after I we have to use have and V3. After singular subject we have to use has and V3, and after plural subject we have to use have and V3. Okay, we have to take some examples here. Should I clear? Look, the examples. What is given after I? We have to use have. I have, then verb third, I have made a record. Here have made is a present perfect tense, though this singular subject is there, but it is exception. After I we have to use have and verb third. If there is singular subject, see here, for example Neha. Okay, after this singular subject we have to use has. Neha has created. Neha has created something. Here has created is a present perfect tense. The action is completed at this time. Next example, after plural subject, okay, take any plural subject, for example children. After this plural subject we have to use have. Children have, then the third form seen a snake. Have seen is a present perfect tense. Next example, my father. Okay, we are speaking about a person, a singular person, that is my father. My father has read. Has plus read. Read is the verb third. Has read a newspaper. Has read shows the action that is completed at this time. Next example, we Okay, we is a plural subject. We have played nicely. Okay, good. Have played is a present perfect tense. Next, students. Students is a plural subject. After this plural we have to use have. Students have written, W-R-I-T-T-E-N, have written is a present perfect. The action is completed at this time. Students have written an essay. Okay, this is the example. Next example, Meena. Okay, Meena is a singular subject. Meena has sung, S-U-N-G. Okay, has plus V3. Meena has sung a song. Very simple examples are given. Next, number 8. Take any, choose any subject. A boy is a singular subject. A boy has supplied us some books. Okay, has supplied is a present perfect tense. Next, for example, Rajesh. Okay, after this singular subject we have to use has. Rajesh has discuss. Third form of the verb we have to use. Rajesh has discussed on that matter. Okay. Next, the last example. Take any subject. My friend, okay, has called me on his birthday. My friend has called me on his birthday. Has called is the verb third. It is present perfect tense. Has discussed is the verb third, present perfect tense. Okay, it is very simple that in present perfect tense we have to use the auxiliary verbs have oblique has and verb third to show the action that is completed at the time of speaking. Very simple. Now you have to make some examples of present continuous tense and present perfect tense. In the next lecture we are going to discuss about the next form of the present tense, that is present perfect continuous tense. Now we have to stop here. Best luck. Thank you.